Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an announcement in the Amazon Alexa application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on that. And here on the second column you can see the first option, which is communicate. Press on it. Now you should wait a little bit and you can see here that there are four options at the top. The first one is call, the second is share, the third one is drop in, and the fourth one is announce, and that is what you have to select. You just press on it and here you can just write in your announcement, anything that you want, and you can even add sounds, down below, like fart sound, dinner bell, trumpet, or all of those at the same time if you want to. And after that you just have to press this arrow in the blue circle and basically your announcement will be created. In this case I cannot create it because I don't have a device connected here, so it even says here that all my devices are unavailable. But if everything is set alright to you in this app, then you should easily be able to make this announcement like this. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.